In today's session, I'm going to tell you the difference between canvas size and the image size. You see, if you go to image option, there are two options, canvas size and image size, regarding the dimensions of your file. So the workspace you're viewing here is the canvas size, okay, and it is the image size as well. But let me draw something random to help you understand the concept. Okay, I have drawn this image, random image here, and I'm going to change the canvas size. So I have checked this relative, so I'm gonna decrease the length, so it will be in minus units, minus 10, you can say. I'll go with 10. Okay, on the pixels. Okay, minus 10, minus 10 pixels. Maybe that will not be enough because the pixels are greater here, so I will do it 100, and that will show a difference. So when I press OK, you will see the canvas has like got decreased in the dimensions, and the part of the or image has been cut out. You see, if I go Control Z again, you see there was this part, but after the resizing of canvas size, it is gone. So whatever we have designed in our Photoshop, that will be cut if we decrease the canvas size. But if we decrease the image size, let's say I'll do it, okay, 299 2950. I'll go with it. 100 pixels reduction in the size, like the previous one, and I'll press OK. But you see, our picture has gotten small, but the part there has remained intact. It has not been cut out. So here's the difference between canvas size and the image size. When you decrease the canvas size or increase it, the design we had in our Photoshop, that remains constant, that is not changed. If you decrease it, decrease the canvas size, the design will be cut off, and if you increase, the design will remain at the same dimensions and same. But if you change the image size, the design will change with the image size. So that's the difference between an image and canvas. Hope you understand.